All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today, it is record a pixel with a pixel. And this video is being brought to you by the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, recording my brand new Google Pixel 9 Pro. And this is the Pitaka Ultra Slim case. So this case will fit the 9 and the 9 Pro because it has the complete camera cutout opening on it. Unlike some other cases where it singles out the individual lenses there, this case does not do that. So that way is optional for both the 9 and the 9 Pro because they are actually the same size. So let's get this cracked open. I showed you this for the phone that I'm recording with. It's actually on the phone that I'm recording. I showed you this case. This is a very popular case amongst people who have ultra thin case love. We all know what Pitaka cases are. Now, I personally don't like to wear cases, but there's only three that I rotate between this. Pitaka is at the top of the list, and then it's the Rinky Onyx, and then the Tudia Merge. But Pitaka is a case that I will go to because it feels like you're not wearing a case. And in this particular situation, there's a lot going on with this case that I like because it has the Easy Mag or MagSafe technology, and I have that in the car, in my office, my room, everywhere. I have it all over the place. So these cases work great, which is why I use them on everything. So this is just like the other one that I showed you for the 9 Pro XL. It is just for the 9 Pro. So you get this recycled packaging here, and I'm just going to dig into you for it here. You get the instructions and everything. It lets you know that it's the MagSafe Slim Board 2.0. So basically what that's going to mean is this thing is going to have a very strong magnet, and it in fact does have a very strong magnet. I'll show you that in just a moment here. It also works with wireless charging. So let me show you here before I get going on the actual case. That is a strong magnet. This is just a pop socket style MagSafe product. It is a strong magnet. This thing is going to not fall off. Whatever you have it stuck to, it's going to be good. So the case itself. This is the typical Pitaka branding here. You got a different color of the Armored fiber. And you have this camera lens color that is a different color as well. And I've seen some people kind of not like this style here, but I personally think it's cool. I'm glad it adds something, some character. Instead of it being all black like most other companies, it's the same color. And then they'll have some different color branding here for their company. But this is eclectic and it's different, and it makes the Pitaka brand stand out. This is how they're doing it for some of their cases, and that's just how it is. So along the side here, you've got the volume rocker and power button open. This microphone cutout needs to be open. Microphone here, charging sync cable here is always cut out like that, and then you got your speaker. Now when you look at the inside here, you've got the color of the case, and then this lets you know that it is the MagSafe technology, so or Mag Easy. And I have that technology all over my house, so, and my car, and like I said. So when you put this on, you want to put it in this way, because that's how you're going to take it off. You see how easy that went in? And when you're taking it off, you push on both corners, and it just pops right off. These cases did not used to be this easy to get on and off, but in fact they are now. So it's up to you to determine how you want to put this on, but that is the official way to put this case on, and it'll just make it so much easier on yourself. Now after having it on, check your ports, check your cutouts. Volume rocker is good. Even though you don't really need to do anything with that, your microphone is good. At the top right there, you can see it's cut out just right. And then all the ports on the bottom perfectly line up. That's how you know. So this case does work with wireless charging as well. So I'm going to turn on the wireless charger. All right, it's lighting up. And it starts to charge. So not only does it have the MagSafe technology, it has everything you want for a person that doesn't want to wear a big hefty case. And it is drop protection as well. It's going to protect everything around the edges, and it's going to protect all the places where phones typically hit when they drop to the ground. Now I have a tempered glass on mine, but if you didn't have a tempered glass on here, is a little bit, I mean, it is minimal. It is such a thin portion on the lip there for drop protection on the front. But when you lay it down like this, your screen is going to ultimately pretty much be touching whatever surface you have it on. So be mindful of that. I say if you're an ultra thin person, you're probably already wearing a tempered glass anyway, or some kind of screen protector. So just bear that in mind when it comes to how this case actually works. So If you're a person who doesn't really like to wear a case, but you still want some protection, Pitaka and other ultra thin companies are making it, but Pitaka's brand is kind of proven along with Binks. Those are some of the great companies but you can actually find these Armorite cases at lower pricing, but I don't know about the quality. I actually use Pitaka and Binks on all the cases, all the phones that I have. If I decide to put a case on it, that's just a get around or something like that. But ultimately, Pitaka is probably kind of leading the way when it comes to these ultra thin cases. Well-known brand. This will run you $60. The link's in the description, and go ahead and grab yours if you decide you want to pick one up. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.